Every day, millions of people wake with one hope: to see life a little more clearly. Because in every life, it's the smallest details that matter most. And behind every procedure is someone waiting for confidence to return. Behind every decision, a doctor carrying responsibility. Behind every restored moment, a silent promise to do everything with care. At SURGICON, that promise begins long before the surgery. It begins in our facility, in every precise process, in every inspection, in every hand that works with focus and responsibility. From our facility to the hands of surgeons, from our process to a patient's recovery, every step is bound by one purpose: to support vision with precision, consistency, and trust. SURGICON, where every detail matters, because every vision matters.